for me personally, and the work that we do at Brandcast Health, is really important to add value at every step. So let's say, for example, you need to build a subscriber base. You need to increase engagement with your brand content, and so you're placing third-party ads, social media, maybe some paid promotion there, and you're offering some educational opportunity to engage in some e-learning or some value add for the customer, which is going to get high engagement because you're not trying to sell something. They can click through to that, get to a page on the website which explains what they can get out of this activity. Let's say, for example, they get some free consultancy with another expert to help them learn about how to diagnose a particular condition or something like that. This would be really sweet. Like, ideal experience, you could register your interest, you could then share your details, you could select some dates that you're available to have that call, and next thing you know, you're booked in for a meeting. From there, you're more deeply engaged in a one-to-one communication with the company, and they can start to introduce you into their sales funnel, understand your pain points, and the sales reps can do their jobs. In my experience, trying to do something like that is incredibly challenging because there is no capability for that landing page to exist in a format that can be built quickly in time for the campaign. There is no booking forms. That form certainly isn't connected to the CRM, which allows the rep to know that they've been booked in for a call. So you then start to build this system elsewhere in another platform, which doesn't connect, and that takes a long time, and you have to get approvals for it. So in the end, you don't do that activity. And in the end, you just have content on the page, no way to convert, right? So this is the kind of scenario that I see happening time and time again. And I think that the ideal solution from my perspective would be that marketeers can go, hey, I want to create a page like this. I have the capability to do that. I have a template page that I can use, and I can create this experience, right? But that takes investment from their commercial team to create that opportunity.
There is technologies in place that can enable this, and it's something that we've worked with a couple of our clients on to really hone in on, and it's something we offer as a service actually at Graphite, which is around design systems. I say design systems, it's not a silver bullet, but what it is that set of reusable components, reusable guidelines and principles that actually ensure that consistency in a digital experience, enabling marketers to be able to quickly access creating cohesive user experiences and also still being able to kind of have a strong brand identity. When built right, and that's a very important part, when done correctly, what it enables people to do is very quickly go from a position of having nothing at all to being able to have that landing page made like you were talking about in a matter of weeks. It doesn't need to be a long drawn out piece because all of the components, all of the elements that need to come together to build that landing page already exist. And they don't just exist in design, but they exist in tech as well.